Jefferson County in southeastern Missouri until 5:30 a.m. At 4:50 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Glover, or 11 miles south of Ironton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Annapolis, Chloride, Sabula, Glover, Hogan, Saco, Catherine Place, Fredericktown, Buckhorn, Junction City, Mine La Motte, Cobalt, and Markland. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Annapolis, Chloride, Sabula, Glover, Hogan, Saco, Catherine Place, Fredericktown, Buckhorn, Junction City, Mine La Motte, Cobalt, and Markland. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds.